Hey everybody, Troy here from Troy's Hobbies on YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter. Anyways, my Fitbit Blaze, the wrist strap, this is the rubber one, the factory one, broke. It broke about a week ago. I've had this since I ordered this, and it arrived April 6th, 2017, if I remember correctly from the Amazon orders. So it broke about a week ago. So I bought something different. It's made by Jobese. It's a canvas cloth type of a strap instead of the rubber here. So I'm gonna give that a go. It was $14.99 on Amazon with Prime shipping. So really quick, I chose the black and silver with the canvas strap. So I'm gonna show you really quick what it looks like. We're gonna go ahead and see if it fits. I haven't even opened the package. We're gonna open it. We're gonna open the package together. Anyways, this is it right here. Haven't opened it. We're gonna open it together, see if it fits. See how close it is to the factory. I ordered a large. The strap that I ordered that originally came with is a large. So we'll see. This is a Jobese, J-O-B-E-S-E, J-O-B-E-S-E, and I'll post the link down below. So we'll go ahead and open it up. So put that aside there. There it is. Hopefully you guys can see. Oh, there we go. You can see. So there's the brown, the straps, the brown straps. You can see the strip there, brown. There's a good right there. You can see the back of it. So I don't know if this. I assume this is a faux plastic, faux leather look. So there it is. The link will be down below if you're interested. I just wanted to try something different that wasn't, you know, all rubber like the factory one, but that's what it looks like. I chose the gray frame. I believe you have 4 options, so just check out the description below. So that's what it looks like. Sorry about the wind. The camera almost tipped over. Had to restart. Anyways, really quick, just wanted to check, you know, not scientific, a comparison on the strap length. So being that it's broken, here it is. So I'll just butt it up. This is the factory one. This is large. Let's see what their large is. So I'm just going to butt it up to where it normally would be on the frame. Pretty close. You can see there. Not bad. How about the other side? Here's the other side. In fact, let's go ahead and take the Fitbit out. Really, oh, it's all dirty. Got to take care of it. I've taken this. I've used this kayaking since April of. Middle of April of 2017, and you know, now it's June. What is it? June 8th? June 8th, 2018. So I've taken this, dunked it in the water. I've had no issues with the Blaze in the water, you know, with paddling, grabbing fish, putting my hands in the water, swimming. Haven't had any issues with this Blaze. Love it. So anyways, this is what it looks like. Looks the same. Let me see if you can see it. I'm trying to get this in frame. Angle. It looks like there. Comparison. Jobese, J-O-B-E-S-E. So back, that's what it looks like. But let's see the length on the on this side. Trying to get this somewhat in the same vicinity. Oh, look at that. A little shorter. Let's see. Yeah, oh, look at that. Much more shorter on this side. So I hope it fits me. I got big wrist. We'll see. Okay, so let's see if it fits. If it just snaps in like the factory. Oh, I forgot I got a mic on. There. Nice and snug. It doesn't feel loose like it's going to fall out. There you go. Jobese, J-O-B-E-S-E. Go ahead and go back to the front. Now let's see if it fits me. I'll be a little worried if it doesn't fit me. I've been waiting a couple days for this. Oh yeah. You're supposed to wear it just slightly loose, and I got about 2 more slots there. Not used to the canvas. Oh, nice. Let me stand up and see if I can get a proper angle on that. That's what it looks like. I don't think I have any future in hand arm modeling, but that's what it looks like. Check them out. I'll have the description down below if you're interested in this. Feels all right. Won't know. I just opened it up, just put it on. You know, maybe you'll see a video in another month. I usually, if an issue arises, I'll have another update video if it breaks down, falls apart, whatever. Well, that's it, folks. If you like this video, like this product, please give this video a like. I'd appreciate it. I'm a small channel. I don't get monetized. I don't get no money for this. This was not sent to me. Please give me a like. If you check out the rest of my channel, if you like it, I'd appreciate a sub. You have a good day. Bye-bye.